Greetings, comrades. This is I'm Caleb back with another unboxing video, and this is one I was not expecting to make so soon. But yeah, you see the knife on the side there. But yeah, earlier I made an unboxing video for a new keyboard and mouse for the HTPC Proteus. Yeah, this Redragon wireless keyboard and this mouse. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, do not buy these. They're garbage. First, the mouse. Well, as it slipped out of my hand, you know, it works well enough. It feels comfortable in the hands, and you know, the buttons are nice and clicky and stuff. The thumb buttons are easy to reach, but there's a good amount of input lag. Like especially when dragging the mouse, like there's a lot of slowdown. Even the highest setting, it's just not very smooth at all. You know, it was just $20, so you know, I kind of expected that. So you know, I just wanted something cheap for the living room PC. But yeah, keyboard though, yeah, this is definitely more form than function. I mean, yeah, the RGB effects are nice. Here, let me turn on real quick so you can see. Yeah, the lighting effects are nice, and you can actually change them on the fly by holding that function button. And yeah, the lighting effects are cool and all, but this thing is unresponsive. Like when typing stuff, even when it's in full view of the wireless dongle right in front of the PC, you know, 9 times out of 10 it won't register my key inputs. Like I had to press it like 10 or 15 times before I actually register anything. So yeah, this is more form over function. You know, $40. You know, I expected a bit more, but you know, what do you expect from a keyboard of this price range? So, you know, Redragon, you know, I was hoping to like these, but no. Yeah, do not bother. I can see why that video didn't get many likes. But I'm gonna sort of redeem myself with this. I decided to make a quick trip to Best Buy and get a new wireless keyboard and mouse, and they're both from Logitech. Yes, you know, I've had some pretty good luck with Logitech products lately with the keyboards and mice, especially their gaming keyboard and mice, even though the software is kind of shit. But yeah, I won't deny Logitech makes some pretty good keyboards and mice, and decided to go for, they're not gamer-esque keyboard or mouse here, but you know, I'm sure they'll get the job done because Logitech's a reputable brand, and they're not gamer-esque because like I said, this HTPC, it's uses some bits for gaming, but for the most part, it's an HTPC. You know, watch videos and, you know, maybe browse the web, or, you know, once I get a CD drive, watch some movies and stuff on there. So yeah, I didn't want anything super fancy, but yeah, I decided to get with what I could find. But before I show all mine off, I decided to get something to sort of complement that. I decided to get this huge ass LapGear Titan lap desk. Fits up to 17.3-inch laptop screen size. Yeah, this is for like laptops, so you can also use like wireless keyboards and stuff, which I might as well show off what I have right now. This is actually my current laptop that's made of bamboo. My sister gave it to my dad. Let me raise up the tripod a bit. There we go. So yeah, it's yeah, this lap desk behind it is a bit bigger, because like I said, it's supposed to like hold a full-size laptop and still give you enough room for a mouse, and it has a little slot for your phone and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Whereas this, you know, it has its uses mainly for laptops. You can see the ventilation on the bottom, and you have a little stand. You have the little legs on the bottom with adjustable height, so it can like, you know, turn stuff. Plus, it has a little drawer here which holds the slide guard, I guess you'd call it. It keeps the laptop from sliding off because you can't angle this, which, yeah, definitely has its uses. But I wanted something a little bit bigger and a little more comfortable on the legs, since, you know, it's gonna be resting on my lap. And I figured this will do the job. You know, it has a built-in slide guard, so that's good. So yeah, again, meant for laptops, so you can use like keyboards on it as well. And of course, you have a little mouse pad here with a wrist rest, which is nice. And of course, there's a little slot to hold your phone. Yeah. And it comes with a convenient carrying handle. That's nice. Now, let me go pick up my knife real quick. Alrighty, so now let's show off what I really got. So, certain these work, because like I said, I've had good luck with Logitech products. Let me lower the tripod just a bit. Here we go. Because you don't need that much camera space for this. Now, I want to go for a 10 keyless keyboard, but most of the Logitech keyboards I have over there were full size, and they did sell 10 keyless keyboards, but those are sold out. The only one I could find was this, the MX Keys Mini. This is around $100, but I think this will do the trick. You know, it comes with illuminated keys, ultra fluid typing, has those little scissor switches, and they look like this concave like keycap, so it's easy to press and stuff. Yes, that's, yeah. Yeah, fluid advanced keys enjoy perfect stroke keys with dictation, mute, unmute, and emoji keys. Okay. Mini size, huge performance, layout design for effortless precision with a minimalist form for better ergonomics. Smart illumination, backlit keys automatically adjust to changing lighting conditions. Okay. And create the ultimate MX setup. Team your MX keys with MX Anywhere 3. Well, that's not the mouse I have. Any mouse will work, for sure. My features: wireless connection via Bluetooth, low energy technology, easy switch keys to connect up to 3 devices and easily switch between them. USB-C rechargeable, full charge lasts 10 days. Or 5 months with backlighting off, which I'm never going to turn that off. And compatible with Logibolt USB receiver. Interconnection software download. Nice. Let's see. I don't think this comes with a receiver, but I still have my Bluetooth adapter, so I can use that. And the mouse. So I guess that's a pretty good size. It's still comfortable. The Control Plus M510. See there, back 4 buttons, 24-month battery life. Ooh, that'll last a while. And back and 4 buttons for convenient navigation. Comfortable large size mouse. 7 customizable buttons for fit your needs. Got the mouse, wireless dongle, battery pack, and instructions. Okay, I'll open the mouse first. It's smaller. Ooh, this is convenient packaging. There's a little tab on the back, so you just pull out the plastic that way. Okay. I guess the wireless dongle's inside the mouse because I'm assuming it's in here. Okay. Set that aside and. Oh yeah, this feels really good in my hand because I have pretty big hands, so this fits perfectly. And for some reason they left it on. Yeah. The one you gotta charge it before each use. They leave them on. Well, they have that battery tab back here, so yeah. And yeah, it keeps the battery and the USB dongle in there. Ah, and it uses. Okay, so yeah, it uses AA batteries. It uses 2 of them, so yeah. There's that USB dongle, so then we plug that in. And this little tab that you pull to pull out the battery, so okay. I'm sure these barrels will be okay, so yeah, we're gonna set that up here in a minute. Like the optics on the side here, where it's usually around the middle here. Okay, so that's the mouse. Install of the customized mouse. I'm not really gonna customize it, I'm gonna use it out of the box. Again, I'm not gonna use it for like heavy gaming or anything like that, because well, Proteus is kind of relegated as an HTPC, like I said. Like we're doing too much gaming on it, even though it's fully capable. It's the exact same parts, just in a different case. Okay. But I had a sample of this keyboard here, and I tried it out. It feels good enough. Definitely for the needs of an HTPC, even though they have a multimedia style keyboard, stuff like that. But I figured I'd give this a try first. I want something that's functional but not too large. Okay, it's wrapped up in some cellophane. Okay, let's say what included. Let's see. Just looking at the box here. Okay, it comes with a charging cable, which makes sense. You know, this is a wireless keyboard. Ah, yep, Type C. Gotta have Type C. Yeah, it doesn't come with a wireless dongle, so I'll have to dig up my Bluetooth adapter if I can find it. Anyway, let's go and unwrap this keyboard. It feels pretty solid. Even more solid than that Redragon keyboard. There's no sound of taking stuff out of wrapping and stuff. It's not too bad. We'll watch it anyway. There we go. Get the ultimate setup. And just show off some random Logitech stuff. The keyboard itself. This feels really nice. I'm not gonna lie. For a $100 keyboard, I'd hope it feel nice. And yeah, get the arrow keys here. Man, because that's like Mac stuff. Okay. I think this will work pretty well. But yeah, like I said, I wanted something that's small, nothing too fancy for the home theater PC. Just so that you can easily play on your lap and stuff. And yeah, this mouse is a lot more comfortable than I thought it'd be. And I like the placement of the side buttons, like pretty close to your thumb so you can reach them easily. Like tip of your thumb for the first button, you know, and the base for the second. Feels nice enough. So then we're gonna put these in places of they have to be better than those Redragon things I got. But like I said, yeah, this Redragon keyboard, what is it? The K624. Yeah, do not buy this. And the Redragon mouse, yeah, don't buy that either. You know, you get what you pay for. But here, I think I'm definitely getting what I pay for with these. So then we're gonna try these out. So anyway, this is Neffex Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,